One of the main challenges for freelancers is the lack of structured work hours. Without a clear schedule, it's easy to procrastinate, lose focus, and stretch your workday endlessly. This can lead to stress, dissatisfaction with your work, and even burnout. A clear schedule helps you set boundaries between work and personal time, making your day more productive and balanced. For example, if you don't set specific work hours, you might feel like you are constantly on the clock, even when you are trying to relax. Over time, this leads to fatigue and decreased productivity. How to set a work schedule? Step 1. Identify your peak productivity hours. Start by analyzing your personal energy patterns. Some people are at their best in the morning, while others are more focused in the evening. Discover your peak productivity hours and build your schedule around that. For instance, think about when you feel most focused and energized. For early birds, it might be the morning hours, but if you are more of a night owl, you might find you flow later in the day. Use this time to tackle your most important tasks. You can check out a scientifically validated chronotype test to learn more about your own productivity patterns. I've included a link in the video description for you. Step 2. Create a standard work routine. Even if you are working from home, establish a standard work day that fits your needs. Flexibility is key here. Your schedule should leave room for personal tasks and breaks. For example, as a night owl, I start my workday at 9:30 a.m. and wrap up by 5 p.m. or sometimes at 7 p.m. if needed. I take a lunch break and a few short breaks throughout the day to recharge. Step 3. Use a planner or calendar. To stick to your schedule, you need to track your tasks. Use planning tools like Google Calendar, Notion, or a good old paper planner to organize your day. Personally, I love using a physical planner where I write down my daily tasks. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video on how I organize my planner. And don't forget to plan breaks and personal time. This prevents burnout and keeps you productive over the long haul. For example, set 3 priority tasks each day and focus on completing them first, leaving other less important tasks for the remaining time. How to stick to your schedule? Step 1. Create a morning routine. Start your day with a routine that signals your mind it's time for work. Whether it's a cup of coffee, a light workout, or reviewing your to-do list, a consistent routine gets you in the right mindset. If you work from home, create a designed workspace. This separation between work and personal life helps you focus and stay productive. Step 3. Practice self-discipline and motivation. Finally, to stick to your schedule, you need to work on self-discipline and motivation. I'll be covering these topics in more detail in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. Flexibility is crucial in freelancing. Always leave some room in your schedule for urgent projects, but make sure you compensate for any lost rest time afterward. To sum up, having a clear schedule is the foundation for effective freelancing. It helps you reduce stress, work more systematically, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. What's your experience with managing your freelance schedule? Let me know in the comments.